Welcome back to Drive Comfort 2 Vibe, your go-to channel for the latest car news, reviews, and reveals. If you love speed, style, and cutting-edge automotive design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a ride. Today, we're diving into something bold, unexpected, and a little controversial. Say hello to the 2025 BMW M2 SUV. Yes, you heard that right. BMW has taken its iconic M2 performance DNA and injected it into an all-new compact SUV, and car enthusiasts everywhere are buzzing. So what's the story behind this surprising twist? BMW has realized that driving thrills don't have to come only from low-slung coupes. With the global rise in demand for high-performance crossovers, it was only a matter of time before the M division joined the party with a smaller, aggressive SUV offering. Under the hood, the 2025 M2 SUV is packing serious power. It shares a variant of the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six from the current M2 coupe, pushing out around 470 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and X-Drive all-wheel drive, this compact beast rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. That's sports car territory in an SUV package. Design-wise, the M2 SUV is unapologetically muscular. Flared fenders, quad exhausts, a sloping roofline, and bold M badging make it instantly recognizable. It's smaller than the X3M, more aggressive than the X1 M35i, and aims to carve out its own space, appealing to those who want M performance without the bulk. Inside, the cabin feels like a true M car. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and M Sport seats dominate the interior, while the curved display and latest iDrive system keep things high-tech and driver-focused. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. There's solid cargo space and rear seating comfort, making this M a potential daily driver. The 2025 BMW M2 SUV is expected to start around $65,000, with options pushing it into the low 70s. BMW purists might raise their eyebrows, but there's no denying this machine offers a new kind of performance thrill. That's all for today's first look at the 2025 BMW M2 SUV. Let us know in the comments. Do you love it, hate it, or need to see it in action first? Thanks for watching Auto Vibe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe.